Tuples are immutable sequences typically used to store collections of heterogeneous data, such as two tuples produced by the enumerate built in. Tuples are also used for cases where an immutable sequence of homogeneous data is needed, such as allowing storage in a set or dict instance. Class tuple iterable. Tuples may be constructed in a number of ways, using a pair of parentheses to denote the empty tuple, using a trailing comma for a singleton tuple, a comma or a comma, separating items with commas a comma b comma c or a comma b comma c, using the tuple built-in tuple function or tuple iterable. The constructor builds a tuple whose items are the same and in the same order as iterable's items. Iterable may be either a sequence, a container that supports iteration, or an iterator object. If iterable is already a tuple, it is returned unchanged. For example, tuple ABC return ABC and tuple 1 to 3 returns 1 to 3. If no argument is given, the constructor creates a new empty tuple. Note that it is actually the comma which makes a tuple, not the parentheses. The parentheses are optional, except in the empty tuple case or when they are needed to avoid syntactic ambiguity. For example, fabc is a function call with 3 arguments, while fabc is a function call with 3 tuple as the sole argument. Tuples implement all of the common sequence operations for heterogeneous collections of data where access by name is clearer than access by index. Collections.named tuple may be a more appropriate choice than a simple tuple object. Let's see the examples. For example, tuple t is equal to 1 comma, this is an empty tuple, print type of t, print length of t, print tuple itself. Let's see. Its type is tuple, element count is 0, empty tuple. Let's now put in one element. Now element count 1 comma, actually 1 comma element 1, then let's put it this way, 1 comma, and now run it. It's like this. 2, it's like this. So this is the tuple example. This is an immutable type. Thank you.